How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn on the DMs for everyone on your Discord application. So first thing, you simply install inside your DM inside your Discord application, or you can also yeah the website official website, and make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you simply need to come over to content and social option over here, and make sure you have set these to show, and also these on show. You can also commit this to show button, and after that simply come over all the way down here, and you can see the option called direct messages from other servers or everyone. All you can need to do is just simply click on this button and hit on S like this, and after that you are good to go. From this moment you'll receive all the direct messages from everyone on the Discord. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.